Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 24 May 2018, 12 of hour, 54 of minute and 28 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, how do chiropractic adjustments work? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about how do chiropractic adjustments work. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about how do chiropractic adjustments work. Chiropractic adjustments work by helping to place your body in the proper position that then allows the body to heal itself. One of the key focuses of chiropractic care is realigning the spine and thereby reducing pressure placed on sensitive nerves, which can contribute to dysfunction of the central nervous system. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.